Namaste. I welcome you again in this 10 minutes morning yoga class. So, today we are going to focus on standing poses, standing asanas. So, let's start with the warm up. Open the feet, shoulder width, open the arms. Inhale, right hand को पीछे wrap करें and just put the left hand on your right shoulder. Twist करना और अपने opposite heel को देखें. Change. 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 Hold one. Just stay there and breathe in and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and done. This is okay. Now, just हाथों को पीछे लॉक करना है. Hands टच करें पीछे. Inhale, you bend back थोड़ा सा और नीज को बेंड रख के हाफ जान, हाफ डाउन, चेस्ट अप, कमर सीधी. इनहेल अप, बेंड बैक. एक्सेल. इनहेल, एक्सेल. इनहेल, एक्सेल. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold here. 1, kamar seedhi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Done. Relax. हाथ यहाँ रख के थोड़ा मूव. 1, 2 शोल्डर्स को मूव करें. 3, 4, 5 opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feet together. Inhale, exhale. 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 होल्ड करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and done. Open. Hands here and hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Perfect. Legs wide open करें और raise the hands. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Put the hands down. Knees are soft. You try to go maximum down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hands here. You bend back थोड़ा सा एंड रिलैक्स. पैर यही खोल के रखिए. अब राइट पैर को बाहर की तरफ टर्न करें. बेंड द लेग. इनहेल, पीछे बेंड करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7. Now put this hand here और दूसरा हाथ ऊपर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Other side. Bend the leg. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. This is great. Shake the legs, arms. Now, the Kali Asana. Turn the toes out, hands up, sink the hips down. 1, chest is up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Perfect. Relax. Now one balancing pose and then done. So bend the back leg और just थोड़ा सा नीचे वाले पैर को मोड़ लो. Other hand straight forward. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Relax. Just hands here, heels up and down. 1, 2, to activate the calf muscles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. So this 10 minutes quick short class but very effective and very useful class for everybody, and these classes are absolutely free of cost. So please do practice all these sessions and just do let me know how these classes are working for you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care of yourself and family. Namaste.